There is a big Congress explosion now taking place in Karnataka. This could be big embarrassment for the Karnataka Congress. Top Congress netas appear to be heard discussing DK Shivakumar's Bridegate. Now remember, Shivakumar is one of the most senior most and popular netas. Congress former Lok Sabha MP and media coordinator badmouths the party president DK Shivakumar. This was a big bribery charge that was being made against DK Shivakumar. There's a conversation that appears to have got recorded about how DK Shivakumar took 10% bribe, how his aides have made 100 crores in total collection. Absolutely horrific and embarrassing also for the Congress, which has one of the stronger presence in the state of Karnataka. Nagarjun Dwarkanath, who in fact covers not only politics in Karnataka, but you've often interviewed also DK Shivakumar, Nagarjun. And what happened? How did this conversation get recorded? What are they referring to? Has DK Shivakumar responded yet?
Well, Pooja, big embarrassment for the Karnataka Congress here when their own office bearers are speaking, bad-mouthing the president. It was on stage just before the press conference while having chai. Former member of Parliament Lok Sabha, Mr. Ugrappa, and the KPCC media coordinator, just before the press conference start, they're talking to each other and they're discussing about the alleged bribes that Mr. DK Shivakumar took. They also speak about how it was 6 to 8% bribe, but when Mr. DK Shivakumar came into the cabinet as minister, it went up to 8 to 12% or 10 to 12%. They also speak about how his close associates have made 50 to 100 crore. And the comment is that if his associates have made 50 to 100 crore, imagine to what extent would the president himself have made money. And there is compromise and there is collection of money when he was minister, is what his own office bearers are saying. And then the former member of parliament says that we all tried to make him the president. We fought hard to make him the president, but he has hurt us. He has backstabbed us, is what Mr. Ugrappa says. Ugrappa was a member of parliament from the Ballari district constituency and also a former member of legislative upper house. He was also legislator as was a member of parliament. So he's not someone away from the party. He's an office bearer, also an elected representative formally.
Okay.
And these two are talking about how DK Shivakumar also stutters while talking and cast doubt on about was he drinking at that point of time whenever he speaks to media, or was it just his low BP? These are the issues they discuss, but big blow for the Congress party.
And all of this, Nagarjun, while they know that there are microphones right in front of them. So it's some private conversation that has got recorded.
Absolutely. This was just before they started addressing the press conference on other issues, and they were waiting for chai to be delivered to all the media persons. When having chai, when the microphones were kept right in front of them and the cameras were on, that is when they started discussing about the president. And it was not logical, is what we are told from the Congress sources. And Congress party, within the party, will seek a report on this and also will take actions, is what we are told. But we are yet to hear comment from Mr. DK Shivakumar as to what he feels about his office bearers' comments.
All right, Nagarjun Dwarkanath telling us about what exactly happened. What you're looking at is that visual on your screen. Take a look. These are Congress netas in Karnataka. And we'll just stay with that visual where they appear to be discussing all of it against DK Shivakumar and his bribery charges. Let's just listen in. Of course, they're talking in the Kannada language, but we'll try and dip into what is being said.
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಟ್ಟಿಡಿದು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ ನಮ್ಮದು